Interested in making money online? Read this. I want to make money online, but I don't know how. Many people are in the same boat and never seem to pursue the needed information. You are a step ahead of the curve just by finding this video. Read through the tips here, and you'll learn what you can do to make money when you have some extra time. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. Look into surveys. There are a multitude of surveys for you to complete. They can be a good way to make money. They don't pay much, though. That said, if you have some spare time, they're better than nothing. To earn some quick cash online, try one of the many auction sites. These sites let you sell a myriad of items, both new and used. Collect together gently worn clothes from your closet. Then, photograph each piece and place them on an auction site. With these sites, you can set a minimum bid to ensure that you get the money you want from your clothes. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. Since you are in pursuit of greater knowledge, finding success through the internet should not be hard. Anyone can make money online if they are determined and have the necessary knowledge. After watching the suggestions above, you are ready to begin working online. Student loan.